In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ADD your website to your Lovable AI profile page. By the end, your profile will display a clean, clickable link to your site, making it easy for visitors to learn more about you and your work. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Lovable and press Enter. Click the official Lovable result to open the site. If you prefer, you can go directly to lovable.dev. Either route works. Once you're there, log into your account. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your dashboard automatically. If not, enter your credentials and complete any security prompts to continue. On the dashboard, look to the lower left corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This opens a small menu. From that menu, select Profile. That takes you to your public profile page, where you can see what others see when they visit your page. Now click the Edit Profile button. This opens the Profile Editor, where you can safely update the details that appear publicly. In the editor, locate the section labeled Website. This is where you'll place the link you want people to use to reach your site. Paste your website URL into the field. For best results, include the full address, starting with https:// so the link is recognized and clickable. Double-check the spelling, remove any extra spaces, and use a link that's publicly accessible. If you have multiple sites, choose the one you most want to highlight, often your portfolio or main company homepage. Avoid shortened links or tracking parameters here. Keeping it clean helps with trust and clarity. When you're happy with the URL, click Save. Give the page a moment to update. If the Save button appears disabled, make sure the field isn't empty and that the URL is formatted correctly with the proper prefix. If you don't see your change immediately after saving, try a quick refresh. After saving, return to your profile view and look for the website field. Your link should now be visible and clickable. Open it in a new tab to confirm it goes exactly where you expect. And that's it. You searched for Lovable, signed in, opened your profile from the lower left icon, selected Profile, clicked Edit Profile, pasted your website into the Website section, and saved your changes. Your Lovable AI profile now showcases your site, helping visitors connect with you beyond the platform. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your updated profile.